everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Mercury credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in mercury.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. In the login area, make sure to log into your Mercury account associated with your card. Enter your email address in the first text box. Once you've done that, head over to the password field and type in the password correct as well. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after filling in the details, click the login button, and once you're logged into your account, go and look for the credit card tab and select activate from the options. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end. You'll need to type in your credit card number followed by its PIN. And soon after that, you should be able to activate your Mercury credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.